How to create a pin on Facebook Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, open up the Messenger application on your device. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on the settings icon and scroll down to find the privacy and safety option over here. As you tap on privacy and safety, you can select on end-to-end encrypted chats. So then tap on the message storage over here. As you tap on this, you can see the pin has already been created for my Facebook Messenger. Now to reset the pin, you can just tap on reset pin, and if you have not created any pin, you will get the option to turn on the security storage or create a pin. So just have a tap on create pin over here, and you have to mention the pin that you want to add onto your Facebook Messenger, and after that you just have to submit it and the pin will be created on Facebook Messenger. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.